Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right recorder and controlling your air. Use a soprano or alto with a thin windway. This narrows the tone like a flute. Once chosen, focus on breath. Steady, low-pressure air produces a purer, flute-like sound. Do not blow hard. Next, subtly alter the mouthpiece edge. A 0.5 mm scrape or softening with fine sandpaper rounds the attack. These steps change harmonic emphasis and reduce the recorder's nasal overtone, so you get a clearer, flute-like timbre. You now refine voicing and fingering to emulate a flute's phrasing. Open your throat, lower the tongue, and imagine singing an ah to increase resonance. This expands the body of sound. Use half-hole technique for semitone control and smooth legato between notes, making transitions less reedy. Shape breath with dynamic contours, gentle crescendos and decrescendos, plus a subtle lip or air vibrato, so tones bloom like a flute. Together, these choices reduce edge harmonics and emphasize fundamental frequencies, producing a rounder, flute-like voice. You finish by enhancing resonance and checking sonic balance. Add a mild external resonator, like a short straight PVC stub or a towel-muffed bell, to smooth high harmonics and increase projection. Record a sample and EQ, reduce 2 to 4 kHz to tame nasal harshness, then gently boost 500 to 1,000 Hz for body. Make sure intonation still holds, and tune with small voicing changes. If the sound becomes harsh or shrill, adjust windway scraping or lower breath pressure immediately. That single tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.